Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to add another virtual host to your WAMP server. So over here you can see if I zoom in, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think I have about 23 different WAMP servers. Virtual hosts on my WAMP server. So it's a really easy, really simple. I'm gonna add another one or maybe a couple in this video. All I need to do is go to a particular location on my system. So if I were to navigate again to here, I'd go from this PC to local disk to WAMP to www, and that's the WAMP server folder, and these are all of these virtual hosts that I made. So if I want a new one, I'm just going to right click. I'm going to try to right click without, in fact, let me open this whole thing. So I'm going to, over here in this open space, I'm going to right click and then click new and then click folder. And this one I'm going to call WordPress X. And then just click outside here. Awesome. So there's nothing in there right now. I'm going to put WordPress files inside of this folder. So I have a bunch of WordPress files in my downloads. Let me just look at that really quickly. Let me navigate to it. To my downloads. Give me a sec. Give me one sec. Downloads. So I'm here in my downloads folder and I'm gonna search WordPress and I can see it here. So this is WordPress in a zip file. If you don't have this, if you can't find this, all you need to do is go online and type in WordPress. Okay, I clearly made a mistake. Just type in WordPress and then click on the first link, click get started. And okay, I don't know why they're making you log in. You shouldn't need to log in. This is wordpress.com. Let's go to wordpress.org. Go to wordpress.org and then click get WordPress. And then over here, this is where you download it. You can just click on this and then it'll start downloading. I'll click save. This is now downloading a second version of this file that I already have. It's not that big. Well, at least the zip file isn't that big. It's 27 megabytes. I'm not going to download it again. I'm going to stop it because I already have it. And then I'll go to my over here. So I want this. So I'm going to go back once. So over here, and then I right click and then click extract all. And then there's a pop-up over here. This file will be extracted to this folder, but I don't want it to be extracted to that folder. I'm going to click browse and then go to this PC and then go to this file location that we looked at earlier and click on WordPress X and click select folder and then extract. So all of these files are going to go inside that WordPress X folder. So that's just gonna take like 1 minute or something. I'll skip ahead so you don't have to wait with me. Cool, it's done. It took like 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now we have a WordPress folder inside of this WordPress X folder. I'm going to right click on this and then click properties so I can rename this new folder to whatever I want the website's domain name to be, the virtual host's domain name to be. What do I want to see in the URL when I'm using that particular virtual host? So I want to see this is a cool website, for instance. And I'll copy that for later and then click OK. And I'm going to cut this out, go back to www and then click. I'm gonna make this full screen so that I can just paste it over here in the bigger directory like that. So now this is a cool website, is next to all of the other virtual hosts, and I'm gonna delete WordPress X. Cool. So now I'm gonna close this and close that, and I'll even close that, and then I'm gonna refresh here. And we should see a new project called This Is a Cool Website. Awesome. Next, we could do a couple things next. What I'm gonna do next, you don't have to do it in any particular order is what I'm saying, but you could do it in this order that I'm doing it. So now I'm gonna go into phpMyAdmin. I'm copying this name just so that I can have it for later. I'll click on phpMyAdmin. And then to log into phpMyAdmin, you can just do root, no password, and click login. And these are all of the databases for each of the virtual hosts. I need to create a new one now, so I'll click on databases. And then database name, I'm gonna make it the same. This is a cool website, and then click create. And this is a cool website was made on the left there. And that's absolutely everything that I need to do. So now I'm going to go back to localhost. And since I made that database, I'm just going to close this. And now I'm going to add my virtual host. And to do that, there's a button here called add a virtual host. And then I'll scroll down. Over here, name of the virtual host is that. This is the cool website. Complete absolute path. So we need to provide the path to that website. To that file, to that folder. So for that, we just need to go back here and then right click and show more options. Okay, I thought it would give us different options. Anyway, yeah. So I right clicked on it and it's saying that I can copy as path. That's what I want to do. Copy as path. And then I'll go back and paste the path. And then delete the quotes. Cool. This is a cool website. Then I'll click this box, I'll check it, and I'll make sure that PHP is 8.0, and that's absolutely everything that I should need to do. I just don't want any spaces here, so I'm checking. That's cool. I'll start the creation / modification. So now what I need to do is restart DNS, and that's pretty easy. So I need to go to tools and then click restart DNS. Now it's updating my settings. Once that's done, I go back to the home page. And now I can see that this is a cool website is at the bottom. So I'll click on that and I'll choose my language. I'm gonna go with South Africa. And then click let's go. And then the database name is what we put into phpMyAdmin. and I put this is a cool website into phpMyAdmin. So that's the database name, and the username is root, and I didn't put a password. Localhost should stay the same. Table prefix, you just make a unique combination of numbers and letters for each virtual host that you're adding, and then click submit, and then run the installation. And then over here you can put absolutely anything you want. The site title could be the fictional company that you're making the website for, your client's company, whatever. I'm gonna put this is a cool website. Again, username. So this username is gonna be used whenever you log into this virtual host. So I'll just use Lance. The password doesn't have to be strong at all because this is offline. Nobody can access this but you. So I like to make it 123, and then click confirm, use a weak password. And then my email, I can make whatever I want, because I'm not really gonna use my email much. You can run some tests with forms on your virtual host, and in that way you will want your email to be specific. But other than that, you're not really going to be contacted in any way regarding your WAMP server. And I don't click discourage search engines from indexing the site because it's not even online. So I'll click install WordPress and then log in. I'll type my username, my password, and click login. Awesome. So now I have a new WAMP server set up. And that's it. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions at the bottom in the comment section. And hopefully this helped you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.